Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Adobe, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open Adobe Acrobat or Adobe PDF editor. Create a new document by clicking on File and selecting New. Choose Blank Document to start fresh. Next, create a title for your budget. Add categories such as income, expenses, savings, and goals. In the income section, list all your sources of income. Next, move to the expenses section. Break down your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Under fixed costs, include rent, utilities, and insurance. For variable costs, consider groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Now, add a calculations section to summarize your totals. Use simple formulas to calculate net income and total expenses. Next, allocate funds for your savings and investments. Include a section for financial goals, like travel or buying a home. You can use tables to organize your information neatly. To enhance readability, add colors and borders to your tables. Once completed, review your budget for accuracy. You can export your budget as a PDF for easy sharing. Lastly, revisit your budget monthly to make necessary adjustments. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering budgeting with Adobe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.